Hey folks, today I'm going to do a little shooting with a couple of guns y'all have already seen before. This one is my STI Tactical 5-inch, and I'm also going to be using my STI Staccato, the 4-inch, 4.1, something like that. It's around the 4-inch gun, commander style. I'm not going to be doing a lot, per se, a review, but I'm just going to come out and have some fun today. So I'm going to run a couple of drills. Try a few different ones out and bring y'all along with me while I run through a normal range day. Hope y'all enjoy it. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I noticed last time I shot my STI, all my rounds were going off to the right, so when I got home I looked it over. I realized my rear sight had shifted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a few rounds, shoot a few rounds on target, just to make sure my point of aim is back to where it's supposed to be, or my point of impact is back where it's supposed to be. So I'm just going to run 5 or 10 rounds through it like that, and then we'll get into the drill. Alright, from what I can tell, all the rounds are getting on target where they're supposed to be. They're maybe a smidge off to the right, but I can correct that later. I don't know what's going on with my camera here. It looks like it's a little dark, but we're going to roll with it anyway. Let's move on into a drill. Alright, first drill I'm going to run, I got multiple targets set up. You can see I've got a target there, a target there, and a target in the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at different locations. I'm going to draw, put 2 rounds on each target, and just start slow and work on some transition drills and accuracy too. Now you'll notice these targets are actually pretty small. They're very small. So even if it would be in the 8 or even 7 ring, probably it would still be in the A zone of a USPSA target. So I'm going to run this drill a couple times just to warm up, and I'll let y'all watch. .340. .279. Good hits. .245. Good hits. .218. Good hits. I'm going to start on a different target now. .236. Start on a different target now. Well, I'm out of mags. Go load up and try some more. Alright, I'm going to try this drill again. It's kind of fun. I've got the target set up at different distances. The first one's at 3, the second one's at 5, and the third one's at 7. So I'm getting different areas or distances in while I'm doing this. So I'm going to run this one more time. We'll go into a different drill. .239. 241. Two, 5, 6. 204. See how fast I can just do one on each target. 181. 186. 172. 164. 161. 160. I'm gonna stop. We'll go back to 2 per target. Alright. Fun little drill. It teaches you to transition. Teaches you to get out of the holster quick. Get that first shot off. Transition to the second one. Always when you're transitioning, transition with your eyes first. Your eyes should be moving to the second target before your gun does. So when you transition from 1, 2, you should be looking over to your second target. 1, 2, look at your third target. So wherever your eyes go, your muzzle follows. So let's try a different drill. All right, now I'm going to shoot on that same small silhouette, but I'm going to do transitions, or some people call failure drills. Basically, it's 2 to the body, 1 to the head. So I'm going to transition. I'm going to start up close, and I'm going to work my way back. So I'm going to start out with 2 to the body, 1 to the head, 2 to the body, 1 to the head, 2 to the body, 1 to the head every time I draw. All right, let's see how it works out. That was a pretty quick one. Total time, 1.17. Messed up my draw on that. .29. 1.27. 1.33. 1.43. 1.40. 'Slow down a little bit. I'm trying to go too fast and I'm messing myself up. There we go. 1.35. There we go. 1.24. 1.21. 1.19. 1.40. 1.23. 'Back up just a little bit. That was, never mind. That was only 2 shots, not 1, not 3. Look at that headshot. It's a good little drill to run. 2 to the body, 1 to the head. I'm going to show you my real target. I'm not going to lie to you. I threw a couple of the headshots right at first when I was trying to go fast. So if you'll look, these 3 right here were my first 3 headshots. Then I threw 1 later on, and I threw those 2 right there. But everything else was in the head. Everything else was in the body except for that one right there. I got a little bit low on me. So I'll show you my real targets. I'm not going to try to tell you I'm something I'm not. I'm not some master class shooter. I'm just trying to get there. So let's move on to a different drill. Alright, I'm going to move on to one of my favorite drills. It's my Bear Solutions drill. I run this just about every time I come to the range because it's a good drill, and I've talked about it before. I'm going to run it. I've changed guns. Now I'm running my Staccato P. So I'm going to try this one out, see what I can do with it. Probably mess me up because I'm changing guns, but I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm going to let y'all watch the target while I shoot. Woohoo! Woo! 549. Boy, that was a quick first run right there. 549. I'm going to try to get that a little bit quicker. I love this gun. Alright, we're going to try it again. See what we can't do. Woo! Woo! The 5.60. Still a pretty good time. I'm going to load up. We're going to try that some more. I love that drill. Alright, we're going to run the Bear Solutions drill again. See if I can't beat that 5.45. That was a pretty quick run though. I don't know if I can beat it. That'd have to be a perfect run. Five, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. Love it. Love it. One more time, and we're gonna be done. I want to get it down to 5 3s. Ladies and gentlemen, I just ran the fastest time I have ever run on that drill. It's a 5.14. I have smoked my previous time. My fastest time before that was a 5.32 or 5.36. I just did a 5.14, fastest I've ever done it. I don't know that I can go faster than that. With that being said, I'm done for the day. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you come back and watch me again. And next time, I might have a new STI that I'll be reviewing. Got one on order. I'm not going to tell you which one it is though. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.